Hey future homeowners, welcome back to my channel Reality of Realty. I'm Valerie Davenport and as your trusted real estate guide. Today we're tackling a topic that's on the minds of so many aspiring homeowners, and that's buying a house with a not so perfect credit score. It can feel like a huge hurdle, but trust me, it's absolutely possible. So stick around and I'll break down exactly how you can make your home ownership dreams a reality even with a lower credit score. So if you like videos like this and other behind the scenes peeks into what it's like to be a realtor, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified when new videos are published. And whether you're moving across the nation or across the street, don't forget to tap into my resources by emailing me today using the email in the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First things first, let's talk about your credit report. Head over to annualcreditreport.com and grab a free copy. Seriously, this is the crucial first step. You need to know what's on there and, more importantly, if there are any errors. Mistakes happen and disputing them can make a real difference. Next up, improving that credit score. This is a marathon, not a sprint, but every little bit helps. Focus on paying down those credit card balances, especially the high interest ones. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Every step gets you closer to the top. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date, and try to resist the urge to apply for new credit cards. Each application can ding your score a little bit, but here's a helpful tip I learned during my time opening retail credit cards. For every 3 on-time payments, your score improves a couple points, so just remember the rule of 3. Now let's talk about loan options. This is where things get interesting. Some loans have a lenient credit score requirement, as low as 580 for some. You've got FHA loans backed by the government, which are often more forgiving on credit scores. Then there are also USDA loans. Those are for rural areas, and also VA loans for our veterans and active military, both with potential advantages for those with lower credit. And don't forget the possibility of a cosigner. If you have someone with great credit who trusts you, this could be a game changer. Beyond your credit score, lenders also look at your overall financial picture. Increasing your income, even with a side hustle, can make a big difference. Saving for a larger down payment can also help offset a lower credit score. Think of it as showing the lender you're serious and responsible. A stable job history and consistent rent payments are also important. Here's my biggest piece of advice. Talk to a mortgage specialist. Find someone who specializes in working with people in your situation. I'm happy to recommend you to someone for free, of course, if you need that resource. The reason this is so helpful is because they will run your credit for a pre-approval. Now, this does count as a hit against your credit, but the benefits outweigh the negatives because they can find the best loan options for you and present them to you to make a decision. They can advise what you do or what you can do to improve a couple more points, or suggest to pay off, make suggestions on what to pay off for other improvements. They'll also seek other programs that you might qualify for, which could include down payment assistance, grants, or other services. Getting pre-approved is so key because you can start the home search while also making improvements to your credit. It shows sellers that you're a serious buyer once you know you're buying. Buying a home with a lower credit score might require a little more work, but it's absolutely within reach. So just be patient, be persistent, and don't give up on your I'm here to help. If you haven't received my quarterly vendor list, please email me using my email in the description box below. I'll have some great resources for you and some mortgage specialists that I can recommend. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home buying tips. So that's it for today's video. I'll wrap it up here by saying thanks for tuning in to the very end. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real estate insights. Until next time, happy house hunting.